In today's episode of Kim Organizes Chaos.
Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. In today's video, we're going to be doing some organization.
I'm excited about today's video. It is Name Your Niche. My niche is organization. I'm going to call it Organized Chaos because that's not really my area of expertise. However, I'm going to try, and that's all that matters, right? I want to give a shout out to Tiffany, all things Tiffany Nicole. I will leave her information down below, as well as all of the other ladies. Thank you so much for having me in this collaboration. Girl, you know you my homie, for real. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm having such a great time connecting with so many different people. So thank you. I really, really appreciate it.
So let me show you what I'll be working on today.
I decided to start my organization off in my master bathroom. I have a lot of hair products as well as cleaning products, and everything just needs to be cleaned up a little bit and put in its place. Some of my drawers look hideous, and then when you get to underneath my sink, it is a hot mess express.
So here is my closet, and I am not working on this today, but I just want to show you because a lot of you think that my house is always clean and always spotless and always organized, and it ain't, okay? This is what we're dealing with in the closet. I hope this makes all of you feel better. There's so much dust and dirt built up on the floor too, and I don't even know what's going on over here because I'm sure you can't even see that, but yeah, but I'm not working on this today.
If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M, and we are in my master bathroom. Before you leave out today, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Join our family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. On my channel, I will provide you with tips and tricks on how to keep your house clean throughout the week so that you're not spending your entire Saturday or Sunday cleaning your home. Who has time for that? Now that I've gotten the drawer cleared out, I want to make sure that I get all of the items I don't need in the trash and wipe it down with a Clorox wipe. Here is the after shot of what the drawer looks like. It is clean and everything is put away in a home and it looks so much better. Moving right along to the clear drawers. The first drawer, I'm telling you what, there's a lot of medication in there because you guys know what I was dealing with. If you are new, I have a playlist that I will attach. It's called Cleaning After Sickness. I had that evil demon virus that I am not supposed to name because my video will get demonetized when it does get monetized. You know what I mean. Anyway, I got a lot of prescriptions, so that first drawer really didn't have a lot of things that I needed to take out. Some of these bins that I keep my hair products in have a lot of residue at the bottom, so I want to get them wiped out, and some of them I'm actually going to have to wash out, so you'll see me doing that.
The way you're moving me, I've been thinking about you day and night. I can't get enough. Oh, nah. I can't lie. I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of my sweet Madeline. You're the reason why I'm waking up smiling. Oh, my sweet Madeline.
While this drawer may not look perfect, everything is in its home. That is my definition of organization. I know I said that before, but I really want to stress that to you. Organizing your home does not have to cost money. I know a lot of times people go out and buy additional organizers. I got all of mine from Dollar Tree for $1. I've had these for a very long time and I always reuse them.
With you, my love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. My love, my love, I wanna ride.
At first glance, this drawer looks like it is clean, however, it's not. And here's some residue for you. That is from my black Jamaican castor oil. I think it's mango and papaya. It smells amazing.
That I breathe even speaks of you. Yeah. Oh, I can't lie. I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of my sweet Madeline. You're the reason why I'm waking up smiling.
How are all of you doing today? Leave a comment down below. I'm also a little bit curious as to what room in your house really needs to be decluttered and organized. Let me know. Every single cabinet and closet in my home needs Jesus. I'm just saying, it's all a hot mess.
I'll give you all that I got. Oh, I confess with each beat of my heart. Oh, I promise you. Oh, I wanna be the one to hold you close. 'Cause you're the only one I'm dreaming of.
Here is what the second drawer is looking like. Yes, it's overstuffed, but that's okay because I can reach everything when I open the drawer. That is what's important. Since I had all of those products on top of my counters, I want to make sure I get those wiped off as well as the baskets because I'm about to work underneath my sink. I'm sure none of your sinks look like mine. However, now you know what I mean when I say organized chaos. This is a bunch of chaos underneath here. Now that I have my cleaning products in the basket, I will make an effort to put them away after each use. Tell me what you know about this right here. Leave a comment down below. While I was sick, my family used Microban to clean up, and when I came out of that sickness and cleaned my house, I had to get so much residue and film off of everything. As a matter of fact, my refrigerator is something that I'm still struggling with that stuff on there. Definitely not a product that I would suggest. I have moved on to the hub side of the sink. Underneath his sink is not that dirty. However, I did realize some of his bottles have residue on them, so I wanted to get that wiped off before I put them back underneath the sink.
When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me.
This drawer doesn't have a lot of things in it. However, there is a lot of hair in it, so I want to make sure that I get that cleaned up.
So far, it hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now. This is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again.
Here are my leftover organizers. I'm going to assess them to make sure they are not dirty, and if they're not, I am going to reuse them. And clearly, they're not. If you're still here with me, thank you so much. I truly, truly appreciate you.
This is what I got rid of. All of this stuff right here, which is not really a lot. But no one was injured during this recording. Nobody cried. No one had a meltdown. No one meaning Kim. Seriously though, thank you to Tiffany for having me in your collaboration again of Name Your Niche. My term was organization. That is not my strong expertise. However, I tried. So that's all that matters. And it doesn't have to look pretty. It just needs to be in order, organized, and just making sure that you can get to what you need to get to when you need to get to it. You feel me?
No, things will never be the same. Like strangers.
There will be a playlist linked below in the description box of all of the videos in this collaboration. Please be sure to check it out. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, join our family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. We're trying to keep up with work-life balance and everything in between. Also, I'm going to give you all these amazing tips on how to keep your home clean. Not organized, clean. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. You don't want to miss any of my uploads. So with that being said, it is time for you to exit my crib.
Strangers.
And as always, I worked up an appetite. There is no salad without tahini and salad supreme. Tahini also goes well on fruit.
Things will never be the same. Like strangers again.
Good food, good meat, it's time to eat. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.